Hey there, this video is to show you how to unlock or enable the developer mode in your Android device. So as you can see in my device, the developer mode is already turned on or unlocked, and you can see it just above the about device. So let's take a quick look. Developer options gives you access to all kind of useful tool and tweaks and advanced features, and like for example you can change the look of your phone with the developer mode, even fake your GPS locations and speed up animations. And other than that, you can also use this menu to root your phone and installing custom ROMs and OSs. So to enable this developer menu, just follow the on-screen instruction. So let's do it.